Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
Okay, we got the clutch housing all mounted back up on the 4850. Everything is all on there. One thing I wanted to show you is this port right here. This is the port where it lubes, I'll show you in a second, the front end of the power shift. This tube right here goes down inside there. You have to take it out when you split, and I'll show you why. But it has holes up here at the top. You want to be sure that the holes are up, because that's how you get the thing out. You reach in there with a pick like this, pull that out. As you shove it back down in, it will lock in. I'll show you right here where that tube is. If you look right between the case and this housing, you can see that tube. So all that oil comes right down here to this area here to lube these bushings and the shaft that's inside here. Always want to remember these two bolts right here. Guy doesn't want to forget them. Put it all together and then find them laying in his tray. One more thing down here at the bottom. This big notch, wide notched area right here, this is your PTO brake. There's some discs inside there. The reason they're so widely notched is the shaft, which you can't stick in yet because you got to put the PTO clutch and everything in, and then you slide that in afterwards. That shaft has notches this far apart also. The reason is so that you can actually turn the PTO shaft quarter of a turn, something like that, when you're trying to hook something up. It will have play in it. So if somebody ever says to you, oh my gosh, my PTO's out or something like that, no. That's the way they're designed.